Good morning, all dear IB students. Today we are going to start the new topic data visualization. As per syllabus, what are the contents visible on screen? It means in this you will learn data visualization, purpose of plotting, drawing and saving, following types of charts, plots actually using matplotlib, line plot, bar graph, histogram, and as well as customizing plots by adding labels, title and legends and plots. This is your overall syllabus on this topic data visualization. So first of all we should focus on the term data visualization. It is the representation of data in visual form. In normal life, visual form is an image. It can be a map, it can be a chart for you as well. But when we are talking in the Python, data visualization means representing data in the form of chart actually. The technical term is chart or graph or even plotting. Plot. Similar words will be there. Plot. Draw a line chart, draw a line plot or draw a line graph. All things are same. So data visualization is representation of data in visual form using graphs or charts. This is the formal definition. You will learn it. Next thing, why we are doing so? Why we are representing data in visual form? Because if we represent data in visual form, even a non-technical person can connect with the data. By seeing a picture, we can get a lot of meaning from the data without going in the details of the data. It means it is helpful in deducing, inferring information from the data if we represent the data in visual form. And for normal purpose, it is very helpful in making decisions. If the information is presented in the visual form, you can make good decisions just by observing the chart or graph. The technical thing which we will use in Python to make charts is matplotlib. What it is? It is a library of Python which provides us functions to create 2D graphs. It provides actually functions and interfaces to create 2D graphs. And even a part of it actually we are using, and that part is pyplot. So let's see. First of all, you will remember data visualization. It refers to the graphical or visual representation of information in the form of charts, graphs, maps, etc. You will learn it. And what is the advantage? In decision making. It is useful in decision making. And when we present data graphically, we can see the patterns. For example, if I give you the chart of the school result in the last 3 years, you can definitely just by observing the chart can tell which year was the best one for the school in which the students have performed the best actually. So it is helpful in seeing the patterns and even getting meaningful information from it. Next is matplotlib. It is a Python library that provides interfaces and functionality to represent data in 2D graphics. Please learn it. Theoretically, you should know the definition. Next, what is pyplot? It is a part of matplotlib. It is a part of matplotlib which provides functions or methods to construct 2D plots, 2D graphs. And first of all, we will install matplotlib. Using these commands, we can install matplotlib in our system. Once the Python is already installed, after that we will install matplotlib library from the internet. After that, in the program, how to import pyplot? The instruction will be like this. In general programs, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. PLT is an alias for matplotlib.pyplot. So you are importing pyplot module of matplotlib lib library, and you are using it with the name PLT in your programs. Next thing, types of charts. You would have practiced MS Excel as well, so you know there are various types of charts, but right now, as per your syllabus, we will focus only 3 types of charts. We will focus on three types of charts: line chart, bar chart, and histogram. Line chart represents data by connecting points. Line, even in the normal life, line is created by joining the 2 points. Likewise, when line chart is created, x-axis and y-axis data is used for plotting the points, and then points are connected to make a line. In this manner, line chart is generated. A line chart or line graph is a type of chart which displays information as series of data points, and these data points are known as markers, and connecting them, line segments are generated. Next type of chart is bar chart. It represents data with rectangular bars, and the height of the bar is in proportion to the value it represents. For example, if there is a bar chart showing the score of all of my students in IP subject, so the highest will represent the height of the highest bar is the marks of the highest performer. In this manner, you can connect with the data, deduce the meaning that this is the maximum scored in the subject IP. Likewise, you can focus upon the minimum as well, and you can get other information also just by seeing the chart. What is specific about bar chart? It can be plotted vertically as well as horizontally. Using bar function, we make vertical charts, and using bar h function, we make horizontal bar charts. And the next type of chart which is in your syllabus is histogram chart, and it is a summarization tool for discrete or continuous data. It's a formal definition actually, and once we will learn it in detail, you will connect with it histogram significance very easily. It is about, if I ask you in my class or in your class actually, how many students have performed between 0 below 30% or above 90%. So I am asking the frequency of particular range. For that, neither the line chart or bar chart will be meaningful. I can represent the data, such type of data, more meaningfully using histograms. So histogram is a summarization tool. It is focusable thing. It's a summarization tool. From the whole data, what summary is coming out, which we are representing through histograms. So this is a small introduction of the topic data visualization. You should learn data visualization, matplotlib, and how to import pyplot component of matplotlib in your program. And please learn the definitions of line chart, bar chart, and histogram as well, and note it down in the copy. This all is theoretical component related to your unit. And that's all for right now. Thank you, Roshan.